Often with free satellite TV, channels scan in with generic nondescript names like Channel 1, Channel 2, Encoder A, Encoder B, and that can make it difficult to keep your channels organized when you don't know which channel is which. Fortunately, there's an easy way to rename the channels to make your channel guide easier to navigate. And I'm showing you this on an Amiko receiver, but the process is similar for other brands as well. This channel I have highlighted in red, 49, scans in as channel 1, but it's actually the True Crime Network. And a fast way to rename this so you know which channel is which is using the yellow button on the remote. It says Property, press that, and then there's an option to rename the channel. And a keyboard comes up. All you have to do is erase this channel name that it was scanned in as. And then when you're done naming it, press OK. And now hit the back or exit button. It'll ask you to save. Click yes to save, and there it changes. That's simple.